Look how cute they are. That's the girl. And the other one's the girl. And then we have the 3 boys in the back, the roosters. The girls, as you see, are more brave than the boys. The boys are big though. And they're laying eggs now, which is good. They're about 7 months old, I think. And the chickens are out today, some of them. The other ones, you can see them looking out their door saying, hello, hello. But you get some other ones in their pen. Chickens! Hubby's got it shoveled for them. And go in and see, they got all kinds of new shavings. There's 3 of them. There should be 3 outside. Yep, 3 of them there. That one there standing all proud. And a beautiful sunset. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the chickens.